wish hair growth boiled down to patience. Things would be so much simpler if all you have to do was wait for your hair to grow out. But with the increasing level of pollution and unhealthy lifestyle, problems related to hair health has become commonplace. Hair fall, breakage, bleeding and thinning have become things unavoidable. That is, unless you have a hair care routine that caters to dealing with these issues. Today's video discusses how to use coconut water for hair growth. Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. Coconut water is an excellent hair care ingredient that helps nourish and conditions your hair. It also helps deal with issues like hair fall. That's why I have put together a list. You can use coconut water to boost hair growth. Way of applying coconut water for hair growth. 1. Fresh coconut water. You will need half cup fresh coconut water. Processing time 25 minutes. Process. Take half a cup of fresh coconut water and start massaging this into your scalp. Massage your scalp for about 5 minutes until it's fully covered. Work the rest of the water through your hair and leave it in for 20 minutes. You can wrap your hair in a hot towel for deeper penetration. Wash your hair with a mild sulfate-free shampoo and cool, lukewarm water. How often? 2 to 3 times a week. Why this works? The coconut water helps hydrate your hair and scalp while giving them a nourishment boost. The massaging also helps stimulate blood circulation. 2. Lemon juice and coconut water. You will need 1/4 cup of coconut water, 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Processing time 20 minutes. Process. In a bowl, dilute the lemon juice with a 1/4 cup of coconut water. Massage these mixtures into your scalp for about 5 minutes. Once your scalp is fully covered, work it through the length of your hair. Leave it in for about 15 minutes. You can wrap your hair in a hot towel or a shower cap to avoid a mess and allow for maximum penetration. Wash with a mild sulfate-free shampoo and lukewarm water. How often? Once a week. Why this work? Lemon juice is rich in vitamin C, which helps boost collagen production and speed up hair growth. It also is an astringent which helps maintain scalp pH and remove grease and dirt from your follicles, keeping them healthy. Have you ever used coconut water in your hair care routine? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.